Hello my dear little students and TV followers. You are watching TV program Let's Speak English from your beloved TV channel Bahoristan. Let's start!
How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Let's look outside. Is it snowy today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today?
Today we will study something new for yourself. But first, let me introduce my students. My first student is Amin John.
Hi guys.
Okay. Next one it is Usman.
Hi guys.
After Usman we have Hadisa.
Hello guys.
Okay. Next one is Saadi.
Hello friends.
And the last student is Abbas.
Hello friends.
So, these were my students. I am Mr. Aziz and we are ready to start. Okay, let's repeat previous class. The previous class we studied about the season spring. Do you like spring? I know that you liked it. Okay, my students, for repeating previous class, I will show to you one word. Each of you should tell to me one sentence with that word. Did you understand?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay, what is it?
Wind.
Good. Amin John, tell me one sentence with wind.
Today is windy.
After the word wind, we have the word
Rainbow.
good. Okay, Sadi, tell me one sentence with rainbow.
Look at the rainbow.
Good, can be. Okay, after rainbow, we have the word
Flowers.
good. Okay, Hadisa, tell me one sentence with flower. Okay.
Flowers are beautiful.
Good. Okay. After flowers, we have
Sun.
good. Usman, tell me one sentence with sun.
Yesterday was sunny.
Excellent. After the word sun, we have the last word and it is
Butterfly.
good. Abbas, can you tell me anything about butterfly?
I like butterfly.
Excellent. So, now we have repeated the previous material. I hope you repeated at home with your parents. Did you do that? Now it's time to study new thing. But first, we have to sing a song. Let's sing a song.
Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, little snowflake falling from the sky. Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake falling, 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 falling on my head. Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, little snowflake falling from from the sky. Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, falling, 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 falling on my nose. Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, little snowflake, falling from the sky. Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, falling, 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 falling in my hand, falling on my head, falling on my nose, falling in my hand. Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake.
It was the song about the spring. Do you like it? I hope so. So, previous class we studied with you about the season spring or spring season. Today we are going to study about the weather in general. So, in Tajikistan we have different seasons and different weather. For example, in the winter it's usually cold. In the spring it's usually rainy. In the summer it's usually very hot. And last one about autumn. Autumn is sometimes windy. So today we are going to study about the weather. So the first word about weather is sunny.
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 Okay.
Sunny.
It's sunny.
When it is sunny weather, it's usually hot.
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 It's hot.
Sometimes after hot weather, we can see foggy weather.
Foggy.
Weather, why? Foggy. Foggy. Foggy.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Good.
Foggy.
Foggy.
After foggy, it comes windy weather.
Windy.
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 Okay, windy.
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 It's windy.
After windy, we have the word cloudy.
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 It's cloudy.
In the spring season, we sometimes can see the clouds on the sky. So, when it is clouds, after that we can see raining.
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 It's raining.
Okay. After raining, sometimes it can be stormy weather. Stormy. Stormy.
Stormy.
Stormy.
It's stormy.
After stormy, when it is very cold, we can see snowing.
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 It's snowing.
And last one, when it snows, it's very cold.
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 Okay.
cold?
Cold.
It's cold.
I have got to each of you one question. Ready, guys? Yes. Okay. The first question, Hadisa, when we can see sunny and hot weather?
In summer.
Good. After summer, the next one, when we can see windy and foggy weather?
In autumn.
Correct, Usman. Next one, Abos, when we can see cloudy and raining weather?
In autumn and spring.
Correct. And last one, John, when we can see snowing and cold weather?
You can see it in winter.
Excellent. And last one, Sadi, do you like stormy weather?
No, I don't.
You don't like?
No.
Okay. So, this was the vocabulary about the weather. Let's repeat it with us. Okay, guys, I will tell one by one and you repeat with me. Understood? Yes. Let's go. Sunny.
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 Hot.
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 Foggy.
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 Raining.
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 Good. After raining, we have windy.
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 Cloudy.
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 Stormy.
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 Snowing.
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 And the last one, cold.
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 Okay, well done, my students. My dear little TV followers, now we repeated the words about the weather. Did you understand them? Okay, for making it a little bit fun, let's sing a song.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay, put your fingers together. Let's do the itsy bitsy spider. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. A little faster now. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Now let's try it slow, with a low voice and a big, big spider. The big, big spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the big, big spider went up the spout again.
My dear little students and TV followers, it was our today's class about the weather. I hope you liked it and you liked our song about it. So, our time's up and we have to say to you goodbye. Goodbye, guys!